Hey, welcome guys. John Russo from Palm Beach Customs. How you doing? We're getting ready to load this completed Jeep restoration. I want to introduce you. This is David Martin over here.
How you doing, guys?
And he does all our, I'm going to show you his logo, Martin's Motors, and there's his number, and we're going to load this, and we'll show you. This is a nice setup. So all our completed jobs go right into the trailer, and it'll hold two cars. Real nice setup. It's got a side box so you can get out. So when they're done, this is how we ship them to you. And you can see is enough for 2 Jeeps or vehicles, and you know, we do a lot of muscle cars too. And when you get out, it's easy. Hop right out. You got the side door that opens up on the whole trailer, so everything's safe and sound. I just wanted to give you a little visual on that. And I will tell you, David, it's a little more money to go this way, but when you spend this kind of money on a restoration, you don't want to take a chance and try to save $1. You know, you'd rather pay an extra couple bucks and go enclosed, you know, rather than having 8 cars on a carrier and they're getting moved around 100 times. This way here, it goes direct to your location, and it might get moved once by the owner-operator. It's the only way to go. Appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you.